Hello everyone, today's video I have this Redmi A5. I'm going to show you how to remove bypass FRP using NCK tool. This is a free tool. We are going to use NCK to bypass FRP of this phone. First, we are going to turn off the phone and go to computer and open NCK SPD unsock. It's Redmi A5, Redmi A5 25028RN03A, as you can see here. And here we are going to choose our CPU, which is, and choose here, this is 61 version 2. We are going for this last this option here, Tiger T61 6 version 2. Clicking here and we go for remove FRP new. Here you just need to click on a volume down button. This is your boot key, and introduce your cable. Do the job. Sorry, I'm going to do it again. I'm going to turn off the phone. After setup here, you need to click on do the job. Clicking there, having a cable, and click volume down on your phone. Then introduce a cable. Right away the process begins. For your information, if you have this type of a phone, we can do it remotely. We can do it on a distance. Right away after the process, the phone will reboot. We can do it on a distance, remotely. It's a Redmi A5. As you can see, just next. In here, in my case, I'm going to choose for Portuguese. This is Portuguese, Mozambique. Next. Country, Mozambique. Let's go. Ignore it. As you can see, it's configure offline. You click there. It's bypassed, as you can see. It's done, as you can see. Thank you for watching. See you another video. Mind you, it's a free tool. As you can see, it's Redmi A5. Thank you for watching. See you another video.